Hey, today I'm going to create a simple vector illustration using Affinity Designer. Mainly I'm going to use shape tools. By holding Alt key you can duplicate your shape just by dragging it. And again, you see, we got duplicate. Tree next to our little house. Convert to curves and modify the shape. That's better. Little doors over here, a little bit bigger, and one window. Do not worry about colors yet, we can change them later. Maybe on this side. That's better. Now add all shapes together. Next step, we will round some corners just like that. Okay, much better now. I will create grass on the top. And now it's time to make sky using the similar way. Shape tool. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now add them all together. We got new shape. Change the color and we can round some corners again. Okay, now I'm going to add some little details and change colors.